try some common Igbo sentencing, like some common Igbo sentences, okay? First time introduction, okay? Like when you meet someone, you say, Ahamobo. That's my name is, let me just use any name. My name is Choma. You can say, Ahamobo Choma. Aham bo Choma. Ahamo bo Chioma. That is first time introduction. Everybody needs to learn this, okay? The first thing you say is to introduce yourself. Say your name, right? Ahamo Chioma. My name is Chioma. Ahamo bo Chioma. My name is Chioma. Another thing that we usually do when we meet someone is after you have finished talking with the person, right? You say bye bye. You can say Kaumesia, 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 or you can say Aigafon. I need Gafon. Okay? These are the two things I know you must use when you want to explore your Igbo speaking ability. And I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.